We have a very nice exponential problem here. We have a to the power 1 by p equals b to the power 1 by q equals c to the power 1 by r, and a times b times c equals 1. We need to find the value of p plus q plus r. First we can write a to the power 1 by p equals b to the power 1 by q equals c to the power 1 by r equals k. From here we can take the values separately and we can write a to the power 1 by p equals k. Then we can take the pth power on both sides and we can write a to the power 1 by p whole to the power p equals k to the power p. And we can write a to the power 1 by p times p equals k to the power p. Then we can write a to the power, this p cancels, 1 remains, so only a is remaining, a equals k to the power p. We can give this one as equation number 1. Again, we can write it from here, b to the power 1 by q equals k. So we can write b to the power 1 by q equals k. We can take qth power on both sides and we can write b to the power 1 by q whole to the power q equals k to the power q. From here we can write b to the power 1 by q times q equals k to the power q. Here this q cancels and b remains, so we can write b equals k to the power q. We can give this one equation number 2. Similarly, from here we can write c to the power 1 by r equals k. So we can write c to the power 1 by r equals k. We can take the rth power on both sides and we can write c to the power 1 by r whole to the power r equals k to the power r. From here we can write c to the power 1 by r times r equals k to the power r. Here r and r cancels and c remains. We can write c equals k to the power r. We can give this one equation number 3. Now if we multiply equation number 1, which is a equals k to the power p, equation number 2, b equals k to the power q, and equation number 3, c equals k to the power r, we get. So we can write equation number 1 times equation number 2 times equation number 3. This gives us a, b, c equals k to the power, a equals k to the power p, b equals k to the power q, c equals k to the power r. So k to the power p times k to the power q times k to the power r, which gives us a, b, c equals k to the power p plus q plus r, since a to the power m times a to the power n equals a to the power m plus n. So we apply this rule here. So we get ABC equals k to the power p plus q plus r. But in the question it is given that ABC equals 1. So in the question we have ABC equals 1. So we can put that value and we can write ABC equals k to the power p plus q plus r equals 1. And we can write separately as k to the power p plus q plus r equals 1. And we can write in the next k to the power p plus q plus r equals k to the power 0, since any number to the power 0 becomes 1. So we apply this rule here. So we can see here that the bases are same, which is k. So the powers will be equal. So we get p plus q plus r equals 0. So we have got the value of p plus q plus r, which is 0. So this is the end of this problem and end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.